Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to do hair relaxer for my beautiful girl. So first of all, I'm going to use this normal lotion that she rubs just to protect hair from uh relaxer damage. So the best lotion to use for this part is just Vaseline. Vaseline is the normal, or you can use hair food. But as you all know, this my purpose on life is use what you have. Don't wait for what is not.
So your shampoo has to be neutralizing shampoo. Don't use any shampoo. It must be written neutralizing shampoo. And then this relaxer for kids. Don't use adult relaxers for kids. So that's how our relaxer looking, just for kids.
Otherwise, you won't do anything in life. Never wait for what is not there most of the times. If you can go, if you can do something, just do. So the reason why you shouldn't use any shampoo is the neutralizing shampoo, it stops the process of your hair to break or to keep being processed even days after relaxer. So if you use any shampoo, it doesn't neutralize. It will make your hair to be processed, ending it in breakage, because this relaxer neutralizing shampoo, it just stops the relaxer to work the moment you just shampoo your hair. But if you don't use neutralizing, the relaxer can work even within days. So we want to make the relaxer not to work immediately after we relax our hair, because if it keeps working, it makes the hair softer and softer, and it will be able make the hair to break. I hope I have explained clearly. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just opening the hair section by section. So we just putting section by section. At this point, avoid the scalp. Avoid the scalp because the scalp is too sensitive, so it's the one that we can use for the last part. So I'm just making sure that every section of the hair has acquired enough relaxer. Do not save relaxer. We want all the parts to be relaxed. So I'm just placing the relaxer where it should go, and after that, now I'm massaging it. I'm massaging the hair, going to the scalp and going to the hair, and I'm massaging it with more strength, more power. Guys, you need to use more power, but at the same time, don't hurt your client. So right now I'm just washing my daughter's hair, and mind you, after wash, make sure it's totally clean before you apply the shampoo. So now I apply the shampoo, and I'm just making sure that the hair is totally rinsed. So if you are lazy on this section, that's how you will see the hair getting stronger, because the relaxer wasn't washed very well. So do not save water, do not save shampoo, and do not save time. Just do right things at the right time. So I'm just blow drying the hair. When the hair dries, you need to go on with your hair food. But right now I was using Vaseline. I told you that I go with what is there. I don't wait for things that are not there, because it can make me to wait forever. So in life, at times, if you want to wait, you might find yourself waiting forever. Mind you, you would have just use something and you achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. So don't wait for anything. That thing you are waiting for, it will find you when you already started. So guys, if you have watched to this point, just give a thumbs up, give a thumbs up, give a like, give a love to this video, guys, so that it will encourage me, and this video can get to as many people as possible that want this, that are struggling with the painful hair for their kids. I know this is controversial. Some people, they don't accept relaxer, but this is the best thing that I have done for my child, because it's easier for her to blow dry without her feeling pain. It's easy for me to comb her hair without her feeling pain, feeling the natural pain that she always felt. So guys, you can continue with the song right now, because we have covered the most sections that we wanted to cover. Love you. Subscribe, like, share, comment.